Jockey Woman Portraits, powered by MTV.
What is art, I wonder? Creativity, perseverance, perfection? I'm an artist, I think. I dream, I get inspired, and I create. Create something that has a little bit of me. I'm a preacher of peace and love in my own way. I bring together people on a tiny table and help them connect and live a few moments of pure joy. I want to leave a legacy, an ideology, that all you need is to believe in yourself and follow your heart. I've always wanted to design my own art, something that can be felt, touched, and experienced. So I became what I am, because I believe from the bottom of my heart that my food truly knows me.